So welcome guys, this is our application that is cab management. Let's open it. It is our welcome page and here are the two options, that is sign up and sign in. So let's sign up here and create a new account. So let's fill the information. Here I have filled the information of the user and let's register. Here I have used the authentication service of the Firebase so that the information of the user is authenticated successfully properly. Firebase authentication service allows us to create a mechanism for this sign up and sign in. So let's sign in here guys. Here we have filled successful proper information of the user. Now let's sign in here. And here we have landed successfully on the main page. Our information has been stored in the authentication service of the Firebase. And let's proceed further. So we can see there are the two pages, driver page and cab page. When we are present on the driver page and if we tap on this add icon, we can see this is the add driver page. From this page we can add a driver. And when we are present on the cab page and if we tap then on the cab on this plus icon, so we can see this is the add cab page. From this we can add a cab. It is due to the conditional statement which is applied on it so that it works. Now we will try to add a driver here. So make sure you are on the driver page and tap here icon. And this is the pop-up for add driver. Now let's fill the information to add a driver. Here we have uploaded the photo of a driver. So for this uploading photo, we have used the technology in the Firebase which is called as the storage. In this, when they upload the photo, this photo is converted into the URL and this URL is stored into the field that is called as the image URL in the Firestore. So after that converting the image URL stored in the Firestore and the image which is the real image which is stored in the storage in the Firebase. Now let's fill the another information and create a driver. Here we need to fill all the information properly. If we do not fill the information and tap on register, here the error show. So we need to fill the proper information. By after entering the email, let's give him a date, joining date. After successful fill the information, let's register the driver. So we can see our driver is registered successfully and we can see his profile also. Now we will try to add a cab. For this, go to the cab page, tap on the add button, and after the pop-up comes in the screen, let's add the cab. For this, upload the profile picture and fill all the details and tap on the register. So here we have uploaded the picture of the car, give the driver, and by giving the dummy information of the cab name, cab type, and registration number. And now let's register it. So we can see this cab is registered. Also we have created an edit icon so that we can edit the information of the driver, like we can update the name, update the email, phone number and license, or all the information we can update. Like I want to update the name, so I will exchange the name and save it. After refreshing, we can see the name is updated from ABC to XYZ. This information of the driver and the cab is stored in this Firebase service that is called as the Firestore. Here when we create the driver or edit the information of the driver, the information is get updated into the Firestore. As this all mechanism is on the real-time data. Here by navigating on the driver page, we can delete the driver's information by deleting the driver profile. So tap this icon and do yes. So we can see the driver is deleted. Now let's delete a cab by going to the cab page. Let's select this cab page and by tapping on this delete icon, we can delete the cab as simple as that. This is how our app works. In this we have used the Firebase as a backend and some services in the Firebase like authentication For sign in and sign up of a user, also use the Firestore database, which is used to store the driver's information as well as the cab's information. And at last we have used the storage service so that we can store the actual image, or we can say actual profile picture of the driver and the cab. So this is how we can manage the information about drivers and the cabs. After the work done successfully, we can log out from this icon. Like we can tap here, and this is we can see the logout option. By tapping here we log out from here. So thanks for watching the video till end.